Welcome back once again to the online class. I am here once again back with your EVS class. This is for class 3. Before starting, let me tell you that we have completed almost the whole portion of the chapter 2, the plant fairy. Today we'll complete the chapter by the explanation of the part left. Okay, so let us start today. This is your book Looking Around, prescribed by NCERT. Looking Around, prescribed by NCERT. Let us open chapter number 2, the plant fairy. In our previous class, we have completed up to page number 17. Today we will continue with page number 17 again, from friendship with the tree. So let us start. Page number 17. Friendship with the tree. Friendship with the tree. A lasting friendship. What tree is it? Ask some elders if you don't know. Choose a tree. The question is, choose a tree near your school or house and make friends with it. Okay, you have to choose a tree near your school or your house and make friends with it. A lasting friendship. You should have your idea here. I am taking the name. What tree is it? Ask some elders if you don't know. It is, if that is the question, what tree is it? A lasting friendship. Okay, if that is the question number, a lasting friendship, question number 1, that what tree is it? The answer will be, the tree is neem tree. The tree is neem tree. I can give the name. Next question, will you like to give your friend a special name? You have to choose the tree and make friends with it. So it is your friend now. So neem tree is my friend now. Will you like to give your friend a special name? What will you name it? So if it is question number 2, that answer will be yes. Special name I will give. I will name it green friendly giant. Okay, neem tree is a very good tree and it is used for many purposes. Neem, medicinal tree. Actually, it is a medicinal tree, so it is also a green tree. Green leaves are always green there. So green friendly giant. It is a long, big tree, long in structure, and neem, it is a medicinal tree, so I name it green friendly giant. Okay. So turn to next page number 17. It is completed. Now page number 18. A small bit of portion is left to complete this chapter. Page number 18 now. Does the tree bear flowers or fruits? Which ones? Yes, neem tree, it bears both flowers and fruits. Yes, if it is question number 1, the answer is yes. The tree bears both fruits and flowers. Yes, the tree bears both fruits and flowers. The next question, question number 2, it is that is question number 2. How do the leaves of the tree look? How do the leaves of the tree look? You know, leaves of the neem tree is very small in size and pointed. So I will write that answer. The leaves are small, thin and pointed. Okay, the leaves are small, thin and pointed. Next question, probably that is the last question of this chapter, question number 3. Do animals live in the tree? Which ones? You have to name some of the animals living on the tree. Yes. Do animals live in the tree? Yes. Such as squirrel, sparrows, small bird, that one, ant, etc. Okay, squirrel, sparrows, ant, etc. So we have completed all this question from page number 18. Okay, page number 18 completed. Find out more about your tree, friend, and share it with others. You can just find it out. You can go for observation. You can ask anyone. Draw the picture of your friend tree below and color it. Okay, you can draw the picture of your friend tree and color it. So students, we have completed the whole chapter, the plant fairy, chapter 2 plant fairy we have completed. I have discussed everything inside the question answer given here inside of the chapter. Okay, today up to this much. Hope I will meet you soon again in the next class. So thank you very much.